sent Claire to G-Anime to kill once again, well, zombies.
I don't think there are any zombies here, Liam. You can relax.
Zombies? I know they are. There! No, there! Well, haha! All of you think I'm crazy, but I'm not crazy. Cause I know you're zombies. Ha! I got you now.
Let's move away now, Liam, before we actually hurt somebody.
But Claire, you're zombies.
They're not zombies. They're people.
No, zombies.
People.
Zombies.
They are people, Liam.
Zombies. Okay, they are people.
Good. Nice. Can we avoid any real zombies?
Zombies? Where are they? Where?
I shouldn't have said the C word. Oh well. Time to plan B. Look, Liam. A great plan.
Whoa, let's go.
Liam!
Claire! Ouch!
Liam! Thanks for being useless as always, dumbass.
My pleasure.